Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing the MI bed trimmer. Let's have a look at it, what's inside the box. When we open the box, you can see these are the contents inside the box. First one itself is the bed trimmer, so let's keep it aside, and the travel pouch, an extra comb, and we have the cable which was quite lengthy in size, and the fourth one is the comb. When I compared its design with my previous trimmer, which is Philips QT4005, it has more ergonomic design which makes this trimmer easy to hold and handle, and it also has the sturdy grip which was lacking in this Philips trimmer, so that we can reach to tough spots while we are trimming. It comes with two combs, and the first comb will give the precision cutting range of 0.5 mm to the 10 mm, while the second one gives the precision cutting from 10.5 mm to 20 mm. This is how we attach the comb to the trimmer, by placing it here and pressing a little bit. The sound indicates that it was very properly sit, and here you can see the dial. It has the rotating movement like this. Now we are in the first, then we can go for 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. This way we can adjust the length of the blade. To charge this trimmer, in the box they provide a cable, but to attach to this cable we need an adapter. So this bed trimmer can support 5-watt adapters also. We can charge this bed trimmer with the help of power bank also. The cable they provided. All you need to do is attach this to our power bank. Then the other end goes into this portion. Here you can see the LED light indicators. The 3 LED lights were completely on. It indicates that the trimmer is fully charged, and the complete charging of the bed trimmer took around 2 hours, so which will give runtime of 90 minutes. The trimmer had an IPX7 rating, which means we can wash the trimmer after every usage, and also it has a detachable head. To open the head, all you need to do is just push it here. Like, we can remove the head, we can wash it. Once it was washed and dried, all you need to do is make sure to sit this portion in this place like this, and just gently push it down. The click sound indicates that the blades were properly sit into the trimmer. This way we can remove the head. The trimmer comes with the travel lock option. To activate the travel lock, all you need to do is hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now the trimmer entered into the travel lock. So even if accidentally the power button was touched, it won't make the trimmer on. Now you can see like this. This way it will save our charging. So to deactivate this travel lock, all you need to do is hold the power button again for 3 seconds. This way it will enter the normal mode. MI bed trimmer with my previous one, which is Philips Q74005. The pricing is, this one I bought it for around 1700, while this one I bought it for 1399. And this one gives only 20 length settings, and the bed trimmer of MI offers us around 40 different length settings. And the Philips trimmer had only 45-minute runtime, while the MI trimmer had 90-minute runtime. And it doesn't work when it was charging, and it will be used even it was charging also. So at this price range, like around 1399 in the market right now, this MI bed trimmer is the best choice to go for if you are looking for a good quality bed trimmer. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next.